Hi, I'm going to show you how to exploit Windows XP and gain admin privilege using Backtrack Metasploit. The OS I'm going to exploit is Windows XP, is Service Pack 2, and the Internet Explorer version 6. The OS I'm going to use to exploit is Backtrack with Metasploit. First of all, to launch Metasploit, you will type MSF console. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to load up. Okay, here we are. The exploit we are going to use is called Aurora. In IE, there's a serious flaw of memory corruption. So we're going to take advantage of that to hack into Windows XP. The IE we are going to hack is version 6. First of all, we're going to search for the exploit. So we're going to use a search function in exploit, and it's going to be Aurora. And this is the directory of that exploit. To use that, use and the path name, and there we go. So this exploit need a settings. So we have to see the settings, what is required. We're going to use show options, and it need a serious pro. One is called SRV host, which is the host IP address. So we're going to use the backtrack IP address, and it's going to use SRV port. So which port to listen on. To set that port, we're going to type set SRV host and the host name, host IP address. To find about the host IP address, we're going to click on new terminal and ifconfig. The IP address is right here, and we're going to paste it here, and the host is set. Now we're going to set the SRV port. The SRV port, I'm going to set it to 888. Let's see the option again. So the option is 888, and the SRV host is our IP address. Now we're done with the exploit. We are going to set up the payload for the attack. To set up the payload, we're going to type set payload, and I'm going to use reverse IP payload. So it's under Windows TCP. Now we need to set up the requirement for also for the reverse TCP. To view it, you're going to type show options. It's near the local host. So set host and the IP address. Now show option again. Now we are good to go. We need what we needed, everything. So now we're gonna attack it. So we're just gonna type exploit, and there we go. We got our link. So this is the link will redirect their website to us. So if someone click on this website, they've been targeted by us. So we can use to fake email or create a fake website to get a fraud information just for testing. So for testing purposes, I'm going to use my VM Windows XP machine. So I copy the URL and I'm going to paste it here. We are successfully exploit Windows XP. How you can see, we can use session, and we can see it. There's a session open at 128. This 128 IP address is belong to Windows XP. So we're gonna use session -i, which is gonna the ID name. So ID name gonna be 1, and we got the command line. There are many things we can do after this, but best way is for us to switch the processor from Internet Explorer to something else. But in this case, I just want to show you how to get the privilege. So I'm just going to show you how to get the shell command and add a privilege, admin privilege account or something like that. To see the complete list, you're just going to click a question mark and enter. It will give you every single list of options you can get. Right now, I'm just gonna show you the shell. This shell will allow you to give you full control over Windows XP command prompt. From here, you can see everything. I'm just here. There is a net users. Right now, I'm the admin XP. So if I want, I can also add a new user. And it's added. New user, new account. Even if I want to delete a different account, I also can. And there we go. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.